Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard bagels soft. First, consider the microwave method for speed. You'll need a damp paper towel and about 15 to 20 seconds. For a more even texture, steaming is an excellent choice, requiring just a few minutes over boiling water. Finally, the oven can also bring your bagels back to life with a gentle warmth. For a super quick fix, grab a hard bagel and wrap it loosely in a paper towel that's just slightly damp, not soaking wet. Place it in your microwave and heat on high for about 15 to 20 seconds. This short burst of heat and moisture will help rehydrate the bagel. Carefully check its softness, and if it's still too firm, give it another 5 seconds. If you have a bit more time, steaming is fantastic. Place your bagels in a steamer basket over a pot of simmering water for 2 to 3 minutes. The steam will penetrate evenly, making them wonderfully soft. Another great option is the oven. Preheat it to 300 degrees F, then place your bagels directly on the rack for 5 to 7 minutes. A light mist of water before baking can enhance the effect. Remember to enjoy your freshly softened bagels right away for the best experience. They tend to firm up again as they cool. Be careful not to over-soften them, as this can lead to a soggy texture rather than a pleasantly chewy one. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.